Galaxy Engine notes, over 2,700 sold. That is crazy, guys. Okay, so what the heck, blowing up. So this is the thing, how many tokens you going to earn if you get the note today? I'll tell you right now. Let me just go here. So this was shared by one of my members, all right, and they got a note today, this morning, before they spread the tokens. They got 600 tokens. So if you get the token today and it was sold 2,734, you will see that this number is just going up, and I can see few YouTubers going to join very soon, what's mean this number going to go fast, up very fast. What's mean don't be late to the party. I've been preaching about them since day 0. I was the first YouTuber who brought this to you, and if you get with me on the day 1, you're going to make 1,800 tokens the first day, second day 1,400, third day 1,000 tokens. Okay, today is number 4 and we're getting 600 tokens. Why is that? Because these guys, they have 1.6 million tokens spread around all these engine nodes. Right now, one token costs 777 bucks. Now, if you want to depth into that, what is Galaxy Engine nodes, go and watch my first video. Basically, they are NFT people who did NFT for Mike Tyson. They did for Steve Aoki. They did for NBA, all right? Girls, Robots, Dragons, I don't know them. And Pluto Alliance V2, I don't even know them, but I guess, hey, they are famous. They sold over 225,000, okay, NFTs. Where is that? Right here. And they raised on the secondary market 32,000 Ethereums, okay? They have card holders over around 56,000. What is crazy, okay? That is crazy. So now they have a token coming. But to be the fair launch, I guess, whatever they do behind, you know, they having a notes, and they distribute the tokens to every single node holder. Now the price is 777. It's on Polygon chain. The token is not out yet, probably is coming in the next couple of months. Don't be surprised if the token coming in April. What will be the price? I don't know. I'm suggesting will be a couple of cents. In the previous project, what I've been involved, the price went sorry about that, the price went around 10 till 14 times. So if the price launch around 3, 4, 5 cents, I don't know. And if the price go 10x, we're talking about 30, 40 cents, maybe the first day. And then of course we'll slow down, then we'll find some floor. So just imagine if you're getting 600 tokens, okay, 600 tokens, around 30 cents each at the moment. If the price blow up, again, not financial advice, by the way, please remember, nothing is financial advice. Do your research. Not financial advice. I'm not your mama and papa. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. So just imagine you're getting 600 tokens right now. You're getting 30 cents per token. You know, do the maths. I don't know. Maybe the token will blow up. Maybe it will be less. Who knows? Okay, you do the maths. Actually, let's do the maths together. All right, calculator. So check this out. Thank you. So 600, you combine by 0.30 cents, 180 bucks. Just imagine if you were here the day number 1. I'm assuming the price can go up to 10x, you know, maybe more, maybe less. Who knows? It depends of the hype. Again, I'm trying to get them for AMA. I'm working hard. It's a little bit hard to get them, but we will see. So if you want full information, check the first video. Now, this is on Polygon chain. You need to have some Matic for the fees. And again, the node don't need anything to run the node. You just need to hold. Okay, so I will make update video again. This is from day to day, and I'll do update video hopefully tomorrow or the day after, and we'll see how many tokens they're going to get. Again, this number, when this number come here, you know, like we talk about 5,000, 6,000, you don't get any more 600 tokens. You will get less and less and less and less. When this number hit here around 10,000, you will start getting around 40, 50 tokens. So that's why I ape on day 0 and so many of my members. And that's about it. Also, I'm doing a giveaway. 3 people, 50 bucks each. Maybe I'll do more. If you use my code, by the way, to get this one, you need a code. You must use code. Feel free to use my code. I'm going to do giveaway. 3 or maybe 6 people, 50 bucks each. Okay, and that will be on the February 1st. For everybody who use my code, I'm going to use some like a lucky wheel. And the code to use is MEXCGV1M. Make sure you put this code. Will be the link in the description. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day wherever you are. God bless and stay positive and make something good for the world. All right, goodbye.